This day's gonna turn upside down. It means everything's gonna be totally different. Get ready! It's tea time! But on opposite day, everyone makes tea in a mug with the bottom up. Put in a tea bag, a spoon of sugar. You are not going to get a lot of tea with this recipe, but it'll be very sweet. And if there's no mug nearby, you can brew it right in the sugar bowl. That's a great start of our upside down day. Ben irons his leg along with his pants on opposite day. It's important to use gentle mode. An opposite birthday! Surprise! On this day, the birthday boy congratulates all the guests. This gift is for you. Surprise! Next, who wants to wish me a happy birthday? Cindy! Happy birthday to me! Thanks for coming. Here's your gift. Oh, Christy, you were just in time. Make a wish and dive in my cake. Happy birthday to me! And don't forget your gift. Everyone's here. Let's smear this cake all over the table. What a fun opposite birthday! I look hairy. I need to shave. Ben is shaving backwards. He squeezes shaving foam on the mirror and shaves his reflection. At least he didn't nick himself. Perfectly smooth. Burgers change on opposite day too. The patty is outside and the bun is inside. There's also a French fry filling. Now that's a perfect opposite burger. Bon appetit! Oh, Christy, what are you eating? An opposite burger? I love it! And today, Kelly has to eat a Chupa Chups backwards. The stick is very tasty. This is opposite day. Everything is different. This is Frankie, a monster that lives under the bed and scares Kelly. But today, the tables have turned. Scary monster Frankie, I'm coming for you! You won't run away from me! Grrr! Ah, help! Save me! Oh no! There's a human under my bed! This is terrifying! Leave me alone! Help! Haha! And the bed belongs to Kelly again. We are playing Uno. The rules are the same, except they are backwards. The face is out and the back is hidden. This is a serious game, and it's even harder to win. Fortune will decide the winner. Christy won! Opposite Uno is so much fun. An opposite store has its own payment system. Is this it? Do you need a bag? No? Fine, here's your money. Thanks for anti-shopping. Come again. When opposite day comes, you don't throw trash away, you bring it back home. There you are, my bag. I've been looking for you for so long. Let's go home. Here they are, my treasures. This isn't trash, these are my decorations. And everything is nice and messy again, just how I like it. An opposite egg. You'll only need an eggshell, nothing else. Who needs slimy egg whites when you have a crunchy shell? Plus, this fried egg is rich in calcium, which is good for your bones. Yummy! And what's that? Egg white leftovers? Yuck! Please, leave my plate. You have way too many calories. Pizza delivery! Come here! Opposite day is the only day a pizza delivery guy gets the most delicious pizza slice. Sit at the table and make yourself at home. Another slice. Yum! Good job! How's the pizza? Delicious? Go on, don't be shy. Sorry, I need to go. Can you pay for the pizza? Sure. And here's your tip. You are the best delivery guy ever. See you. Honey, let's cut the pizza. Today is opposite day, so Bruce cuts a pizza using his own methods. He cuts out a triangular slice right in the middle. What are you doing? I'm not eating that. That's the best piece. It has more cheese. Well, suit yourself. I'll eat it myself. This fresh green salad looks so tasty. But I'm not allowed to eat it. It'll make me gain weight. I'm eating healthy today. I'll have to eat these greasy, heavy burgers. But I'm craving a piece of salad. It smells so good. I'd give anything for a slice of cucumber, but I can't. I need to shove this giant burger with sauce down my throat. Life is so cruel. This healthy diet builds character. That's it. I can't take it anymore. Come here, my dream salad. Ben, what are you doing? You are on a healthy diet. Think about the calories. Eat your breadstick and stick to your diet. Even the Tooth Fairy works vice versa on this special day. I'll leave money for her under the pillow and wait till morning. Phew, what a day. Well, what's this? Money again? Fine, I'll have to do some reverse magic. Here, have your baby teeth, Christy. They still look great. Oh, my little teeth. I'm so happy to see them again. Thanks, Tooth Fairy. I'll complete my collection. Everyone knows that taking out gum in class is dangerous. It'll get eaten right away. But this Hubba Bubba will last me a while. Do you want some? Thanks, Cindy. I'll rip off a piece too. Ben is the only one who eats Hubba Bubba a different way. Great gum. What have you done? Did you bite it in the middle? What am I supposed to do with it now? Warming up food in a microwave? No, that's not edible. Today, we are warming up food in a freezer. Oh, this slab of ice is just what I was craving for dinner. On opposite day, you can only eat the pizza crust. The crust is the most delicious part of the pizza. You're right. Who needs all this cheese and sauce? Not me. Hey guys, did you eat the most delicious part? And I got the leftovers again? I hate the middle. How could you do this to me? When it's opposite day, you use a spoon instead of a knife. How am I supposed to eat soup? That's easy. Use a straw. A hot vegetable cocktail with noodles. Yummy! A treadmill is made for running. But when it's opposite day, my M&Ms are running on it. Run right into my mouth, little guys. I got almost everything. An opposite date. The girl brings flowers for the guy. Honey, this is for you. I know how much you love them. Oh, they are so nice, and they smell amazing. Thanks. But wait, there's more. Here's the main gift. Ben, will you marry me? Oh gosh, finally, she asked me. Of course I will. I have to tell all the boys the big news. What a nice ring. Cindy, how did you know? You do so much for me. Yes, yes, yes. Opposite day is a great day for cleaning. Kelly is cleaning the kitchen, all glammed up. Makeup, hairstyle, dress. You have to look nice at home. Everything is spick and span. It's clean and I can relax. I can't leave looking like this. Remove makeup, hide your hair, put on some slippers. And let's go to work. Hi, Kelly. You look stunning. This robe suits you a lot. Did you like our upside down day? Then comment below what you liked the most. Eating eggshells, taking teeth from the tooth fairy, or scaring a monster under a bed? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun stories about opposite days from Troom.